Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. Thanks for joining me today. It's Friday, so it's haul day. I went and had a bit of a shop at the range. Right, the first thing I got was this weekly planner, and I think I got a couple of these. Because by now it's okay to show you that I actually got them as gifts for people I'm doing swaps with. Sorry, I've got such a big bag of stuff. I haven't got that much stuff, but I've got a big bag. So I got these weekly planners, which I thought were really cool. I'm not going to unwrap them because, like I said, they are for gifts for people I'm doing swaps with. And I just thought they're really handy just to have to plan out your work for the week or your projects for the week or things you've got to post or whatever, and the notes. And I just thought, you know, the floral theme went with my swaps. Now this one I got for myself. This was, I think this one was £1.99, so I can open this one. This one I got for myself, which is foiled, so it's quite nice. And yeah, it's got things to do Monday to Sunday and a notes section. I just thought it's just really nice. It's nice to have on my desk just to keep me updated. The only thing is the paper, that's the cover. The paper inside isn't vinyl like the cover. It's quite flimsy, but who cares? So that's that. So I got a couple of those and that one. So I think these weekly planners are quite a good idea. I got a paper stack. And I think this was £1.99. I know it was really ridiculously cheap compared to some of the others. And this is very foiled. So it's got 24 sheets with 24 designs, so every page is different, and they're one-sided designs, but they're all foiled. I think, no, they're not all foiled, a lot of them are. That's lovely. That's like foiled in like a copper. And then you've got the pine cones, robins, just make a nice backdrop, like an explosion of glitter. It's really cute. Little traditional gingerbread man presents and trees, which you could colour in yourself if you wanted to. Quite nice for little kids as part of a kids card kit. That's really thick as well, that one, for some reason. Then you've got little garlands of trees, presents, sweets. Again, that'd be nice to colour in. Then you've got foiled stars in like copper foil again. And then you've got this gorgeous like pine coney, not pine cone, pine frond sort of design with some of them in gold foil, which is really dainty and cute. You've got that lovely snowflake with a distressed pattern, but it looks quite gold and it makes it look quite shiny. It's not shiny at all, it's matte, but it does look shiny because of this distressing. Oh, it is. This stuff is really thick actually. Then you've got this one, very traditional, cuckoo clocks and wreaths and things. Again, could be coloured in. This brown one with all the little traditional little images, Santa candy canes, snowflakes, a squirrel, whatever that's got to do with Christmas. Then you've got a lovely foiled one. This is so cute. This is more sort of whimsical. With the gold foiling on some of the images. Oh, that's making my eyes go funny, but that's a snowflake one. Another one you could colour in with mistletoe and poinsettia and holly, pine cones, fir cones. I think that's a pine and that's a fir, I think. This one looks glittered, but it's not glittered. It just looks that way. It just looks like it's been photographed. Another just sort of traditional sort of Nordic-y pattern. Another one there which is sort of glittery underneath. Looks like it's had an overlay placed over that other paper. Another one you could colour in, very much about the season, the winter season rather than Christmas. Another one, it's a nice grey colour with lots of lovely images on there. I think that's supposed to be like a gold wood grain. And then you've got this one with foiling on with Christmas words. Have a holly jolly Christmas. So Christmas tree, believe in the season. Cold hands, warm heart. I mean, some of these you could cut them out and use them as sentiments. This one, reindeer with some foiling. They actually look more like monkeys, to be honest. This has got foiling as well. That's gorgeous. Gift boxes. This is a lovely lush paper, isn't it? It's like a brocade. That's gorgeous. It's got some foiling on the board, some of the baubles. It's beautiful. So yeah, for a couple of quid, you can't go wrong really. That was a nice little purchase. Then I was going to say, I think I picked the wrong one up. Then I got this one, which is 24 sheets with 2x24 designs, double-sided. This is Winter Wonderland, and again, this was only a couple of quid. It's really thick as well. That's you know, sort of baubles and stars. The quality of this is superb. It's really thick. And then on the other side you've got just linear sort of play, really close worked plaid. Got this gorgeous blue with the snowflakes. Beautiful. Great for scrapbooking, that. Great page scrapbooking. You wouldn't have to do much to it at all. Lovely baubles there. You could cut those out. They're gorgeous. The Christmas tree, sort of again the Nordic kind of, just the rudimentary design. Lots of beautiful rich greens and blues there though. And then you've got those mirrored in this more sort of fun animation type. The chevrons. That's gorgeous. It's like bouncing stars on like a sage green. That's a lovely green. Again, it'd be great for scrapbooking. This one looks like a knit. And then you've got that beautiful one on the back, rich like autumnal shades. This is cute, like tree trunks and baubles, really nice. The colours are lovely. And you've just got sort of a marbled effect on the back there. That's a very basic pattern, but could be very effective with the little sort of snowflake or star impressions. Then you've got the lovely stars on the back. That's gorgeous. It's a lovely colour. That's like a mint macaron colour. This is like an old olive green here. And this is like that new blue. The Stampin' Up's new blue. I can't remember what it's called even. That's lovely stripes. You can't go wrong with a stripe. That's a nice one. Sort of Christmas foliage with a couple of baubles thrown in. There you've got like a distressed knit. And the gorgeous pale blue random pattern. This is gorgeous as well. I like these. I'm liking these colours. That lovely olive green again. I like that. You see, these can be used any time, but this is gorgeous. Oh, look at this one. This has got like forest animals. So again, if it wasn't for the Christmas trees, it wouldn't have to be Christmas. So you could cut these images out or use sections that aren't Christmassy if you're more about the season rather than the commercialised event. These are cute. These are like Christmas tree impressions of Christmas trees and fir trees, I guess. They're really cute. Oh, that's really nice. That's just like a nice sort of distress. Looks like a bit like fabric at the other side. And I'm assuming then we go back, yeah, then we just go back and repeat ourselves with that one. But that again was a couple of pounds, and I really like I do like the blue and white and greys kind of theme. I picked up also £1.99 for a set of 12 ribbons, and I think I've already shown you these. I've bought them from the Works, but these are kind of the reverse of what I've already got. So where I've got the golds in these, I've got the silvers, so it's like a switch back on what I've got. I love this black ribbon. You get a metre, you get 12 different ribbons, a metre of each for £1.99. That's a bargain. I bought some mini scented glitter gel pens, and the only reason I bought these is because I was doing a floral, you'll have seen these by now, I was doing a floral theme in my pocket letter swap, and I thought it'd be nice to just throw one of these in to the mix. Again, going with a floral theme, these notebooks are part of the swap, and I thought they'd be nice to just send because they're on theme, but they'd also be nice for them to cover themselves because they're just asking for that to be done to them. So I got a couple of those. They were, I think they were £1 each, so they're nice. I couldn't resist these pom-pom paper clips. These were a couple of pounds, and I just couldn't resist them. I just thought they were lovely, and I can probably make them myself, I know, but I just thought, why not? Why not have some pom-pom paper clips? Everybody deserves pom-pom paper clips in their life. So yeah, I'm not too keen on the amount of plastic packaging. I'll go in recycling, but yeah, but the actual pom-poms themselves are so cute, so I couldn't resist those. And while we're on pom-poms, let's carry on pom-poms. I got this glitter pom-pom garland, which is 1.8 metres, and it's quite large pom-poms, but I thought you could pull that apart and use it as separate pom-poms. You can make little snowmen out of it, but I'm also going to use it to sort of dress a box. I'm going to be doing a project with like these wintry blues and whites and silvers, and I thought this would really go well with that, I think. So there's that. Then these little mirrors, these are a couple of pounds. I thought these might come in really handy for projects, so I invested in those. You get don't know how many pieces, but you get, I think you get 5 of each. 5 of each. You get heart squares and circles, so I thought I'd get some of those. These are little craft petal embellishments, which were just £1. I did want to have a look at them actually, because some of them have got, oh, some of them are flowers already made. I wasn't sure if they like all had pearls in them or not. No, so that would, I suppose you decide how you wanted to make them up. But again, they're perfect for what I need for my swap, and they were really inexpensive, so they will go with my floral theme. Oh, we haven't finished yet with the pom-poms. I bought some little mini green pom-poms. You get 120 in a pack, and I mean they've used them to cover a little polystyrene tree thing, but I'm going to be using mine for something different. So that's those. I've got some gold and silver craft pegs, mini craft pegs, because they always come in handy. And I couldn't resist these. At first I just thought they were normal silver stars, but they're not. They're like rhinestone sort of stars. So I got those. They were a couple of quid for 100 pieces. Oh, I've got some more of these flowers. Same pack of those. And then I got a couple of floral themed paper stacks that I want to do something with for my swap as well. So I picked up this one. These were, I think these were £1. You only get a few sheets in them. 30 sheets, 3 of 10 designs. So some of them are just plains, but then you get some really nice florals. So I wanted to do something specific with those, so they're going to be useful for my giveaway, for my swap. And then this one's Sweet Flowers, which are much more dainty and pastel-y colours. They're gorgeous. They were like £1 or £1.50, I think. And then I got the Christmas Originals pack as well. This even has, this is a glitter sheet in there, so a glitter sheet, like a waxed glitter sheet. What does it say? No, but 3x10 designs. That's nice. So I've got one of those. Nearly at the end. I got these gorgeous little butterflies. They're wooden butterflies. I think they were £1.50 and they're just so cute. I couldn't resist those, so they went in the bag. I picked up a 10 pack of 2019 calendar tabs, and I think these were £2, I think. They might not have even been that. They might have been £1.50. I haven't got my bill, so I can't see how much things were. Daniel! Oh, my son is out washing his car as usual. Yeah, so I picked these up. I have seen, they have got some with like a cover over them, and I have seen some people say that theirs have fallen to pieces. Whether they were these ones or not, I don't know. They seem alright. They seem pretty well put together. So, yeah. I thought that was just really handy. Saves me printing. I usually print them out, so it just saves me a job. That was those. And I've got this ribbon, again, to go with this and this project that I'm going to be doing. So that's really cute. That's 3 meters of ribbon. Again, I think it's a couple of quid. And then I got some sellotape because I'm fed up of not having tape on my desk because my dispenser got broken and it never got replaced. And then I went a little bit mad on the glue. I got some PVA, Anita's PVA tacky glue with extra fine precision nib, and I think what it is I've been making albums, and I've been using tons of glue, and this I think was £3, and then these smaller ones are £1, which I thought I'd use as part of my swap. These have got 60 mils in, but I thought, I've not tried it yet, but I thought I'm going to try this because Tombow is like just running out. I'm finding that I'm using more than a full Tombow on one album. So yeah, that's it. So pop in the range and see what they've got. They have got some gorgeous bits and bobs, especially their Christmas crafting range. It's just to die for. The gorgeous stuff. I didn't want to go too mad because I want to place a Stampin' Up order, but I had to go to the range because I needed some 12x12 cardstock, which Stampin' Up don't do anymore. So yeah, anyway, so that's me done, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.